Hello. Welcome to Pete Tech Videos. So, today I'll be teaching you how you can restart your phone, reboot, lock, access your phone in everything using an application without touching any button from your phone. Like, some of these phones have damaged power buttons and everything. So, if you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, follow for more, and comment to a channel so that we can know what you need, what help you need with your phone, with your tech, everything. Welcome, guys. Subscribe and comments. Let's get into the video. So the first step is to go to your Play Store. Go to Play Store and download this application here, OneShade. I already have this. The application is so good. So this, after you have downloaded it, okay, the second step here, you open up OneShade. After you have opened the OneShade here, you'll be able to turn on accessibility and notification button. You turn on, plus there are some additional stuff in there you can turn on. Okay, another thing, after you have turned on everything, you are going to see on the right hand of your hand down to the screen button, you'll see an additional option to your phone, a small person there on the right bottom corner. You're going to see that small person there, and that is where you are going to switch off your phone, lock your phone. You see, I've pressed it. You can turn the brightness on. You see, it's really working very well. If you turn it on, you see, it's really working very good. So another thing, you have accessibility, power, recent apps. It's going to help you even with your phone history. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for more. Let's see each other in the next video. Welcome, guys.